everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to quit the Epic Games Launcher. There are a few ways to quit the Epic Games Launcher. So the first method is using the system tray icon. If you are running your Epic Games Launcher on your desktop, you can simply go ahead and right-click on the Epic Games Launcher icon in the system tray at the bottom of the screen. Right after you do that, you will see this close window option. Click on it in order to quit Epic Games using the system tray icon. The next method you can quit Epic Games is by using the Task Manager. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape button at once. This will open up the Task Manager on your computer. Find the Epic Games Launcher from the Apps option and click on End Task on the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to quit Epic Games Launcher using Task Manager on your computer. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.